here we are, Punta Gorda of all places. Time is about 8 a.m. on September 28th, 2022. Category 4 Hurricane Ian headed our way, moving north-northeast at about 10. And we're in Punta Gorda of all places, so wait for this thing to come in. It's going to be a crazy day.
Flood, turn around. Don't drown.
All right, when that place is closed, that can't be good.
Most of flood now is fire force. Rain was falling with a temperature of 7.
The time's coming up on about 10 a.m. The eye is still just southwest of me. I'm in Englewood, Florida. This is not the eye wall. This is just one of the inner bands before you hit the eye wall. I'm going to go into some kind of mode. The wind speeds in this thing have reached 155 miles an hour, up from 140 this morning. So this is an extremely dangerous, high-end Category 4 hurricane. It might briefly reach Category 5 status. Hopefully that won't happen, but this whole place is just going to be trashed all around the area. I'm just south of Murdoch, Florida. Time's about 10:45. Charlotte Harbor, since the winds are offshore, is emptying out. So we have negative surge here, where the water level is going down instead of up. Notice how high up the docks are? So that whole... There's the water running out and creating a gully. So that's a negative surge. Tides are several feet below normal. Normally the water is right up to the edge there. You wouldn't even see the ground near the grass there. Stay here for that time being. Yeah, time is a little after 11. I'm in Englewood. Pretty fast moving clouds there. Start to hear the roaring to the south. Almost in the eye wall. Almost in the eye wall. It's right there. Gusting are about 60 or 70. Clouds are really moving fast. Just getting an edge on there. Almost in the eye wall there, almost in the eye wall. 9 or 2.8 millibars and falling on the barometer. Lightning. Lots of lightning in here. The eye just wobbled a little bit north. We might be getting into it in another hour. But we got to go through a lot of gradient here, about 40 millibars of pressure drop before we reach the center at least. Roof's off. And it's all coming on 2 p.m. here. We're all right. We might have to move. ceiling here. The drop ceiling. Trying to bump east a little bit. This is not a good idea, I don't think. God. God, this is terrible. Oh, God. That's not for a hurricane. Trying to get in that eye. The eye missed where it was before. Headed southeast again towards Fort Charlotte. What was that? Oh, not good. Go. I just had that crane collapse there. Interesting. There. Look at that, just coming right at us at about 10 miles an hour. That's the speed of motion. Here's the eye on the edge of the sky. Time is 4:20. This is on the south side of Charlotte Harbor, right just north of the bridge. We're almost in there. Negative surge. Negative. Punta Gorda. We're just getting into the eye now. It's a very slow moving storm. It's taking a while. Pressure's about 950 millibars now. Very low. There's a dead calm in here. You can hear thunder around us. It's a dirty eye though, it's low stratus in it. I'm sure if you're in an airplane you'll see the stadium. There you go. Right where you want to be, guys. Same place before that was high and dry. Now the water levels are coming up very quickly. Street there. Back in the eye wall, on the backside of the hurricane. This is why you don't venture out in the eye. The eye moving away. Try to go back east. Wow, really crazy here again. Boy, did that help. Whew. Try to go back east again. Get the hell out of this crap. The eye is like right in front of us. Damn. The rearview mirror, there's the second half. Wow, that was crazy gradient. It's either you're in it or you're not in it. Wow. much there now. I don't want to stay up there when it's dark. The time was about 7:15. Just exited the core of the storm. Now we're just in the tropical storm force winds. Storm is, again, it's weakening a lot. It's like on satellite or radar. We're continuing south of Naples and head back home. Crazy day.
Ian is a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Some fluctuations in intensity are possible before Ian reaches the coast of Florida. Ian is forecast to approach the west coast of Florida as an extremely dangerous major hurricane. Weakening is expected after landfall. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 40 miles 65 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 175 miles 280 kilometers. The estimated minimum central pressure is 942 millibars, 27.82 inches, including the cities of Arcadia, Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, Cape Coral, and Fort Myers. Today, tropical storm conditions possible. Widespread showers with isolated thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall.